been quite a roller coaster.
I mean, it's been a roller coaster, and it also made our hearts go a little fluttering, right? Because after that Fed decision, 50 came, and then markets gave a big yawn.
Yeah.
And I think many were wondering whether this is it. I mean, 50 basis point from the Fed, and markets see nothing.
So I think, it was also whether is this a good cut or is it a bad cut, because the economy is going downhill. So that good-bad debate kept happening.
I told you it's a happy cut.
Finally, we know it's a happy cut. Yeah.
I think all week we did nothing. Monday to Friday, the market actually did nothing. The Nifty was flat. And then on Friday, the market did what it did. And I think we end about 1.8% higher, both on the Nifty and the sensex. So hopefully, with this 50 basis point cut from the Fed, I think we've got a global easing cycle underway. RBI maybe is a bit of an outlier because they're not expected to cut immediately, only later this year, maybe the first one in December. But there are many other central banks who've been waiting for this, and perhaps we will see that. This is also the week where the banks finally started to show signs of life. The Nifty Bank finally made a high. Remember, it's like, the Nifty, two cousins which have gone completely in opposite directions. One is, of course, reached great heights. The other has been loitering without finding direction. But I think it's back on track now. The Nifty Bank made a new high. I mean, if you saw the price action, especially on Friday, the ICICI Bank was up 4. HDFC Bank is just under 1,800. And some of the others are starting to fire as well. There have been many false starts here, remember. But this actually is the big question, which many are asking, even as they continue to be invested in mid-caps, small caps. But they're all wondering whether to move to large caps. And then the second question is whether banks here, as far as large private banks are concerned, will do well. So Nifty, by the way, Nifty itself is just about 200 points away from that 26,000 level at the day's high on Friday. Mid-caps and small caps, for the week, they ended absolutely flat. It's such a fantastic market, right? It's a out-and-out bull market. And I thought, why restrict ourselves to this week? Why not take a look at what September has done to stocks? I looked at the NSE 500 universe from the end of August till today's market close. And just these names will come up on your screen. Some of them we all know, others are a bit surprising, at least to me. Concord Bio is the top performer this month. It's up 60%. BSC, which we've discussed quite a bit, and we will, is up 57% this month. Gujarat Fluorochem is up 32%. Jubilant Pharma is up 31%. Campus Activewear is up 30%. It was a big mover on Friday. Chola is up 27%. Thermax is up 25%. Max Health is up 24%. We've not really discussed Max, so it's like a sleeper hit in that sense, but it's done well. There is Devyani, which is up 20. Soba is up 20. Kalyan Jewelers is up 20. I'm limiting myself to that 20% cutoff, but it's a long list of big winners so far this month.
Oh, absolutely.